Hey guys, welcome to Helton's Computer Repair. Today I'll be showing you how you can download and install CCleaner. CCleaner is an excellent program that is used to clean potentially unwanted files and invalid registry files on Windows. It also has options to disable some of your apps and also to clean up some space on hard drives if you know a little bit more depth into that program. But for the rest, let's go ahead and get started and showing you how you can install it. So the first thing you do is go ahead and open up a browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and by default I have my Google search bar. If not, just go to google.com and you'll come to the same location. From there you're going to go ahead and type in CCleaner and press enter. And it comes to their site and you're going to choose, go ahead and select it. You have the option to just go to the download center. I'm going to go ahead and select the actual site to show you. And then to show you that there's the download center. And when you get there, it has a big list. You're going to choose the free version right here. Another option, if you choose it, you can also go to download and you'll see CCleaner. Go ahead and select it. And it'll probably look like this too. It's very clever because lots of times people like to press the free trial. Don't choose that. Scroll down and here is the download. It should prompt you for it to come. Here it is, it did it. And if not, you can just press the start to download and I'll do the work for you. After the file's there, let's go ahead and just open it. And it's prompting us if you want to run this file. Press yes. I don't really need this browser anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and close the browser. It's not needed. One of the most common things that I see is that people install CCleaner and they allow this third-party program right here, this Avast right here, antivirus. It's just an add-on. Uncheck that. It's not needed. You also have options to just press install, but I'm going to go ahead and choose the customize. From there you have the option if you want to enable the shortcuts on the desktop and your start menu. You have another option if you want to choose to add the run cleaner on the recycle bin, stuff like that. And enable intelligent cookies to scan too. I'm going to leave them as they are and continue pressing install. And that was super quick. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck. You have this option if you want to review, release the notes. I don't need to look at them. And I'm going to go ahead and run CCleaner. Usually takes a little second. It was just installed, so give it a little time. And here it is. And there you have it. You have CCleaner installed on your computer, and I'll be showing another video of how you can use it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.